Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Taylor.
Dr. Christy Porterfield, and we're with HealthWorks and Family Wellness Center in Plano, Texas. Our next workshop is going to be over the topic of diabetes. We chose this topic because it is so timely. We've got an epidemic of diabetes here in the United States.
Yeah. Over 100 million people have anywhere from pre-diabetes to full-blown diabetes.
Absolutely. That's terrifying. 10%, almost 10% of the population, 9.4%, has actual diabetes. They're living with this disease. And it's a disease that can really just snowball into all of these other complications, which I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're very aware of. So one thing that people may not be aware of is that it's actually possible to stop or reverse diabetes. And we're going to be talking about some of the strategies that you might use in your own life to get your blood sugar more in control that could let you work with your prescribing doctor to back off some of your insulin or other medications that you're using simply by making some lifestyle and diet changes.
Yeah, it's pretty
super
incredible.
exciting.
I mean, taking less medication is always better. Even if maybe doing these lifestyle changes, you're unable to completely get off your medication, taking less is always better.
Yeah, man. Even like just all together on the pocketbook, on your health, I'm sure on your mental state as well, just feeling like you have some kind of control over what's going on with your body. That's a big deal. So our workshop is on November 26th at 6:30.
It's a Monday night, so come on, bring your friends. Everybody's welcome. It's a community event.
Here at HealthWorks in Plano.